South Africa. I was given the opportunity to explore parts of the Transkei that I've never yet seen in my life. We were going to hike through the Transkei, starting at Msikaba and finishing at Port St. John's, which was 70 kilometers in total. This was a 5-day trip, and we started in East London, which meant we had a 5-hour drive ahead of us until we got to our first destination at Msikaba. So this is where we'll be staying for the night. They're called the Drifters. They are wooden structures with a permanent tent on top. Have a toilet and a shower with hot water, but no electricity or cell phone reception. We unpacked everything out the cars and then went to the beach.
Headed up to here, wishing I had someone by my side. Not another nightmare, so vivid I cry like it's real life. Not another failure.
We then grabbed the canoes and headed up the river.
Mama?
Hello, cheers. You want me this?
Yeah.
Ai
bộ lên trụ, ăn phút lên. Đấy, in lên.
Four more of mine turned into popcorn.
Try
Right, now we're on the windy road. When I used to take tours here, this road wasn't built. It was a mud road.
Uh-oh.